Have you been given a PowerPoint template and have no idea how to use it? Hi, I'm Antonia from AOK Creative, and I'm going to show you very quickly how simple they are to use. However, if you really can't be bothered learning about templates, go to our website, link in the description below. We have 4 online solutions that include developing a presentation from a template. These solutions are cost effective and your presentation will be returned to you within 72 hours. So what is a PowerPoint template? It's a presentation that is saved as a .potx file. When you open a template, you'll see that it has no document name, forcing you to save it. That's because when you open a template, it creates a copy of the original document, and that's what's clever about templates. They keep your original template safe for future use. So why use a template? If designed correctly, a PowerPoint template will contain master slides, which are a series of pre-designed slides which you can use to drop into your presentation and add content. They are very simple to use and will keep your business presentation looking great. I'm going to open a simple template to demonstrate how they work. You'll see the slide on the right where you'll be adding your message. The slides on the left show what slides you have in your presentation. Here, I only have one. Let's visit the slide masters to see what layouts are available. They are found under View, Slide Master. That list of slides on the left are the designs you can drop into your presentation. Do not type any content into the slide master. If you do, when you use that layout, the text will not be editable and will appear every time you use that layout. I'm going to close the slide master and start showing you how to create a presentation. I have one slide in my presentation so far. If I go to Home, Layout, I can see which slide layout I'm using. I can also change the layout by picking another one. For my presentation, I'm going to need a title slide. I pick my layout and start typing. Now I'm going to add another slide. Right-click the slide layout and pick New Slide. I'm picking title and content and will now add some text. But I've changed my mind because I want to add an image. So I'll go back to Layout and change the layout to Content. My content will reconfigure to the new layout, which includes an image placeholder. All the boxes on the page are called placeholders. The one on the left is for text, and the one on the right can hold a table, graph, smart art, an image, an online image, and video. Click on the icon that suits your needs and drop in your content. If you change your layout to a slide master that is missing a placeholder, you will find that content floating around in a bizarre spot. Content not in a placeholder is what I'm going to call floating content. It will need to be moved manually. Sticking to layouts that match your content mean you can work faster and change layouts easily. No matter how well designed a template is, you rarely cover every layout you need, so don't be too hard on yourself if you have to add additional content that doesn't sit in a placeholder. After that, you drop in layouts and type away. And that's a really quick overview of PowerPoint templates and how they work. If this video helped you, hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. It's absolutely free, I promise. And don't forget to share this with people that are important to you.